Nandun si Jason!
Happy birthday sa Don James. I love you.
Thank you to Direk Lauren. First of all, Direk Lauren, I love you to the family. Thank you to all staff and crew, Miracle staff, Makeover staff, Miss Joyce,
Jason!
and the Asap family. Ang Star Magic family, Mr. M, and Miss Marion. Don't forget to follow natin.
Jason!
Dapat abangan ng mga fans nyo, di ba? Ano pa mga dapat abangan? Promoting na...
Ay, mag-promote ko pala kami kuhan ang Miracle Ila City na mag-load mo yung alas 10 po, alas 10 ng umaga. And, ang abangan niyo po kayo po, pero lagi na kayo ng abang.
Ano ba yung natin na kung isang araw?
Ay, yung first na.
Wow! Alright, where are you going? Sasabihin ka ba? Alright, well, thank you. Happy birthday. And up next, ang bagong album at birthday celebration ni Miss Casey from House of XP Winter.